Hello kids, in this video we shall know about bird's name. Are you ready? Let's start. Sparrow. This is a sparrow. Sparrow is a little bird. Dove. This is a dove. Dove is a beautiful bird. Pigeon. This is a pigeon. Parrot. This is a parrot. Parrot is a beautiful green bird. Duck. Have you ever heard quack quack? This is a duck. Duck is a beautiful bird. Crane. This is a crane. Swan. This is a swan. Eagle. This is an eagle. Eagle is a big bird. Owl. This is an owl. Crow. This is a crow. Ostrich. This is an ostrich. Ostrich is a big bird. Quail. This is a quail. Tell me your favorite bird's name. Bye bye kids. Have a good day.